Decided to work off camera today, man. Messing with the doors again. I know y'all probably say, well, they don't look no different to me. Well, actually, they do look a little, or they don't look any different as far as the door panel from what you can see right here. But I ran my wires through here. Got my relay right here ran in. Everything labeled. I know it looked like a rat nest in there, but still. Got my brain for my solenoids wired up. So all that right there. Let's see if I can get this thing here, man. Got all that in there. Got my 30 amp fuse in line. When I put my power to this right here, I'm gonna run this to a fuse box, and that's gonna be where my 40 is gonna go. You get a lot of people that say they blow fuses. Put a fuse in between your solenoid. Put a fuse in between your brain box and your actual hot wire right here. So I got a box that I'm gonna use for, it's got like, I could put like 5 relays on it, or in it. So that's that. Got my push button switch right here, so I can hit that. Door's gonna pop. Another little update. Let's see if I can get this thing here off for you real quick. Just a quick little update. Another little update. I went ahead and cut the back out so it'll be LED ready, so I can go ahead and run my lights and stuff. I go back, I gotta smooth the edges and stuff out, because I still gotta smooth the edges on the outsides of the door and everything before I even jump into the whole fleecing process or whatnot to make this a one-piece door. So that's gonna be that on that. Show y'all right here my wires, how I ran everything right here in. Got my grounds right here. 1 ground for the solenoid, 1 ground right here for my actual switch, and this will be my switch that goes inside the car that I can push to open the door. I'm gonna put some connectors on this so I can unplug the switch, so the switch, that way it'll be inside the top of the door. I can unplug it whenever I need to take the door panels off. So we got that ran all the way through. Leave me with some cleaning up to do on that. Still got the old back panels on there. Now, the reason why, I'm gonna show y'all the reason why I went ahead and kind of hit the ground running with this thing without YouTubing. Is because if you look at my back, you can see right here, this right here is gonna tell you that I got some serious mods to make. I'm gonna have to take more out of the top and bring the top down so that the top can be like the tops on the front. So I got some room to actually play with. I just know this right here, what I do is I just follow that same line right there. I can actually be smart and measure off the top of my door over there and see how much space I got from the black to that gray. You can see where that dark gray crease is. That dark gray crease is up in there. So I can measure between those two right there, see how much space I got, and then I know exactly how to make my cut or my slant on this back piece right here, to mod this back piece to fit this back door. As well, when I do that, this lock, I gotta move that. The reason is It's not the Caprice locks do not sit where the Cadillac locks sit. They sit up there. So that's another piece I got a mod in there. Try and jump on some of this right here tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? They say you say the best for last. Well, I want to see what I was jumping into as far as the doors and all, so that's why I did the fronts first. And I pull all these right here off and be careful with them. Like I say, I could probably still use those on either the console or I could use those in the trunk, you know. Shoot, never throw away money, man. Passenger side, you can see, got that boy in there. Got him wired up too. I had to use some blue wire on this here cause I ran out of black. But that ain't gonna hurt nothing. At least I know that that's the ground. Got my cable tied into my door. Still gotta get my handles tied into those cables right there so I'll be able to pull the handles from this side right here. I'll pull the handles from the bottom and open them up. But got that work in on that, man. Also got a chance to run my wires on this side. Everything relayed in. This side right here gonna look a whole lot cleaner cause you only got one brain. Whereas on this side right here, you just got one relay. You can see my inline fuse coming from my solenoid right here for my 30. I might just go 40 on that, but then I got you gotta run power into your solenoid. So I run this right here to my fuse box. And then I still gotta run the wire from my brain over to this side right here so that I can hook it up to. And I'll probably put a jumper wire on it, but I can hook it up right there where it says to the door switch. So I can get my door switch modded off in that too on the passenger side. And that's pretty much it, man. Pretty much it right there. Yep. So I think the last video y'all might have saw was me messing with the intake or whatnot, putting the throttle cable on, and add this video in. If y'all watching this video right now, I've been kind of quiet. Had to slow down for a minute. You can tell I got a little head cold or whatever the case may be, man. So trying to get rest at the same time. I would say trying to get rest, but you know, nothing don't stop it. Risk everything from going. So as you can see on the video, man, just trying to take my time, stay working 24/7. Shout out my boy Black V Newman out there in Texas, man. Hopefully, if everything go right, might have a little surprise on the way for free. You know, off the love, just the fact of him watching the channel or whatnot, and see your boy sitting down here grinding. He's also a client of mine. Whenever I was cutting out the tops and selling the tops or whatnot, he bought one of the tops for me for his Impala SS. Got the Impala SS sitting real nice right now, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Make me mad. I sold mine. It's a 1996. Out of this world, man. So hopefully I might be able to see if I can get him to send me some video or something, or I don't know, man. God bless, you know what I'm saying? Everything go right. I might take a trip out there come next year, if the Lord's will, you know what I'm saying? And I got a couple of buddies out west that I want to actually get their cars, all this other stuff, get back into the camera game and everything else. But for now, we just gonna stay focused on Relentless. Try to get Relentless 4 feet down. Get Relentless 4 feet down, man. Get Relentless rolling. We almost there, man. We almost there. We got the motor in the car. Tomorrow's supposed to be warm. If tomorrow kind of warm, man, I'm gonna get a little family help. I'm gonna try to get to the richest queen. J Money, she's supposed to be coming from school, but you know, she on that school vibe right now. But Anyway, man, probably get a little helping hand so I can go ahead and get this transmission in this car, man, so I can go ahead and get everything else worked out from front to back. But yeah, man, that's it, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Follow me on Instagram, man, at Rich_everything with an A. Do something with the buttons down there, man. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit that bell for post notifications, man. Your boy, stay working, man. That's the only way to get it. Y'all know what time it is, man. I'm out. Here we go!